Can I share my screen? Screen is visible? Okay. Uh, Today I'm going to explain about the introduction to security systems, its components, concepts, and technology, and advanced applications. Okay. So, what is the need of security system? Can anyone tell me? What's the need of security system? Anyone please give me the reply? Theft. Then, okay, related to theft. Okay, so the security system which plays a major role in all the houses, because without security devices it's not possible to save the our properties as well as lives. So for as a human being, security is one of the major important term. This security system, it's not only applicable to humans, it is applicable to the household devices, non-human beings. So this security system, there are different parts which is installed in the houses. That is in terms of home automation. Because if you want to make the home automation, in order to make the home automation means it is a security device. Okay, so like CCTV camera and access systems and video door phones and biometric devices, and all this stands for security parameters. So two, for example, there is a door will be there, you want to unlock the door, so there is a security devices will be there, we have to make. And to monitor these security devices, there is a monitoring mechanism, a common central panel board will be there, so that panel will monitor it like SCADA. Okay, you see the home security overview. Okay, this is a house, a small 3 bhk or 4 bhk house, and here there is a video surveillance camera system is there, and to monitor the human beings movements, there will be a motion system or intrusion detection system and alarm system which will be integrated with each other. And to monitor the car parking area, there is a automatic garage door will be there for movement of cars. Okay, and to monitor the gas leakage. Okay, that is gas leakage, there will be a LPG leakage system and a fire reduction system which is installed in the kitchen. And to access the doors, okay, to access the doors, that is nothing but for example there we are keeping the jewelries like that, there is a video door phones which we can access it. Okay, so this video door phone, because nowadays this video door phone mechanism, it's fixed in the front side of the front door of the house, as well as in every doors nowadays they are fixing it. Okay, this video door phone is one of the major important term which is used in home security. Okay, why we need this home security? That is for safety and savings and as per the human being convenience. Okay, so this is the home security overview. Now we'll come to introduction to security system. Now you see here, normally when we talk about houses, the house parameters which need to monitor at all times from the theft, fire and short circuits, because we don't know when the short circuit will be happen in the electricity. And if you want to install the security devices, there will be a monitoring system should be there. Okay, there is a monitoring system should be there, which require a proper data transmission system. Maybe a serial communication or parallel communication transfer system will be there, which the speed of the transmission system should be very fast to transmit and receive the data at an accurate some certain distance, so that the users who is staying in the house can place free at important locations for the data display receiver. Maybe a data display will be the your mobile phones, we can monitor it, or your laptops or desktop systems to monitor it. And this display system which is shown in only in straight forward, that is straight forward means the CCTV camera which will be fixed in 90-degree direction in the straightforward movement, and it should be easy to monitor it. That is what we can say, it is easy to understand it. And the system must not be hacked by anyone. That is, whatever the devices which we are installed in the house, it should not be hacked by anyone. That is, a protection mechanisms should be there. For example, there is a CCTV camera which will be fixed in the house. Okay, so the CCTV camera cables which will be connected with the desktop system which is fixed in the some your television board, television system. So they will give the username password for it. That username password which will be accessed by the person who is staying in the residency. Okay, so none of the person should know about it. That is very important. If somebody knows, they can hack and they can access your devices. And this system must also having the characteristics such as a water resistant, okay, water resistance value, and high temperature resistant, and robust, so the transmission of data and the data receiving without giving any interruption. Okay, and all the security devices which will be installed in the buildings, there will be a sensors will be there. That sensors will be, the cost of the sensor will be high, and the sensors, whatever the sensor which they are fixing in the house, it will be a movement sensor or infrared sensor like that. Okay, these sensors are very smart devices to operate efficient, and which will be able to detect objects in every area of the house. Generally, these sensors which will be give a sensitive to the human motion, and also the sensors can be worked on any appropriate range. Maybe a person who is very close, so that we can operate it, and which will be detect that particular moment. For example, in the library you can see, if you take the book from the library without giving an access and number, okay, entry in the desk, and we can take the book outside. So the sensor device which will be fixed in the, which will be fixed in the book, as well as the sensor device which will fix in the door, that is door sensor will be there in front of the library, in every library. Okay, so this door sensor will be sense the particular textbook, whether the book will be accessed by this person or not, because the data entry will be taken by the library. Okay, so unfortunately, if you are not entry the particular book in the reception desk of the library, okay, we can take the book outside. At that time, this sensor will be sensed and it will be given an alarm. This alarm which indicates the person who is not having the rights to take the book outside. Without giving the accession number to the particular person, the person is taking it. Maybe we can say it will be a theft. Okay, to avoid the theft, as well as to monitor the textbooks in the library. Okay, and also nowadays most of the libraries they are having the movement sensors. Okay, that is nothing but a biometric devices will be there. At what time you can entry, at what time you can exit. Okay, so that biometric devices which will be monitor the person to entire system for the, for example, for half an hour or 1 hour period we can monitor it. Okay, that is the system which will be show whether the person will be sitting in the library or not. Okay, then what are the components are available? There are 4 components are there in security system. The first component is controller. Okay, controller means it is a hardware interface that communicates with hardware interface that communicates with user interface by controlling home services. The second one will be a communication. Communication may be a wired communication, or wired communication means Ethernet, or wireless communication means radio waves, infrared, Bluetooth, GSM, etc. And third component is electronic devices. This electronic devices will be a bulb, an air conditioner, or a heater, which is compatible with transmission mode and connected to central control system. The fourth one will be a user interface. User interface means give order to control system, for example a monitor, computer, or phone. Okay, so in security devices there are four components are there. The first component is controller, second component is communication, third component is electronic devices, fourth component is user interface. What type of technology which will be implemented in security system? The first technology is nothing but a Bluetooth remote home automation system by using Android application. This system will be a low cost budget and which will be operated with wireless mode. And here they are using the Bluetooth technology, which will be give an remote access from personal computer, laptop, as well as smartphone. And the major design of this Bluetooth remote home automation system, which will be have electrical switches and provides more safety control on the electrical switches. Electrical switches means maybe this one that is DPST switch, like that, with low voltage active control. That is, you can operate this particular Bluetooth remote home automation system by using the low voltage applications. And this system supposed to control an electrical appliances and the devices in the house with a relatively low cost design, user friendly interface, and a simplicity of installation. Okay, any doubt in Bluetooth remote home automation system? Any doubt? Students, can you give me a reply? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. The second one will be a Bluetooth based home automation security system using AR. This design will be handling for by using ARM7 LPC2148 board processor, which is available in the market. And this device which will be interconnected with Bluetooth devices, and this device is having both in and outputs of embedded system board, and the status is passed to the ARM7. For authorized person to access the home appliances, we have to develop an authentication to the system. This device is one of the low cost and scalable tools. Change to the code is much important. Normally, this is one of the authentication device. Okay, in industry or in the university level or in the university college also, we are having the authentication system. Okay, for example, if I want to, because I am the new faculty means they will give the authentication username password for the particular internet system which I can access the net devices, net systems inside the college. So I need an username password. That is nothing but authentication, because this authentication will be decided by the particular employee, maybe in industry or in an institution. And third one will be a GSM based home automation system by using app inverter for Android mobile phones. Okay, and this will be works on GSM mode, as well as this ability to control devices and applications, and we can control any appliances at any point, anywhere, at any time without worrying geographical locations. And fourth one will be a wireless home automation system using Zigbee, and this is one of the low cost, and normally this device which is used to control all the lights and the electrical appliances in the house as well as in the offices using voice command. Okay, this voice command, which is one of the major specialty for Zigbee technology. And next one is microcontroller based. Here microcontroller 16 of 877A they are using it, and this one of the system which will be called as Brilliant, which is enough to monitor the security environment. And this device will provide a special opportunity whenever the user are away from the house. And the system will provide the reliable operation within reasonable cost and removes the system complexity. Okay. What are the advanced applications of them? We can advanced application means that there are bathroom fans are there which is automatically to on and off. Okay, when you open the door, then automatically the bathroom fans should be on. That is nothing but exhaust fans which will fix in the bathroom or toilets. And turn on your cameras, webcam in the security cameras. Install a wireless intercom services and capture party movements without using a digital camera DSLR, and use automatic sprinklers to water your gardens. This is one of the advanced applications which are installed in nowadays. Any doubts? Students, any doubts? Okay. Please answer your attendance. Abhishek Kumar. Okay. Alan Harish. Anirudh. 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 Apaji. Apaji absent. Okay. Ashu Anand. Bharat. Bharat. Bharat absent. Bhumika. Bhumika. Lakshmipati. Chitra. Darshini. Divyasri. Divyasri. Divyasri absent. Kavipriya. Gangana. Gangana. Shivakumar. Grishma. Jafar. Jafar. Jibran. Jibran. Nandesh. Karthik. Karthik present. Lingareddy. Present. Oh, Kiran present. Yeah, Kiran present. Please see the screen. Here the screen is visible. Here you see. I'm entering it. Lingareddy. Lingareddy. Absent. Manoj Kumar. Mohammad Jilani. Mohammad Jilani. Mohammad Tagore Ali. Mohammad Umar Ali. Yeah, Umar Ali. Umar Ali present. Okay, Mohammad Tagore Ali. Mohammad Tagore. Mohammad Tagore Ali. Absent. Naveen Kumar. Naira. Niranjan. Nischal. Punnappa. Prapatraj. Prapatraj. Prajwal. 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 Prajwal absent. Rachana. Rachana absent. Rohan. Rohan. Rohan absent. Rutik. Sagar. Sagar. Okay. Sahana. Sahana. Sahana absent. Sanjay. Sanjay. Satak Das. Shekhar. Shekhar. Shiva. Shreyas Babu. Shreyas Babu absent. Siddharth. Vikram. Vinayaka. Vishwadeepak. Mohammad Numan Bhatt. Tahura. Kiran. Kiran V. Kiran V. Kiran V, present or absent? Okay, absent. Manjunath. Manjunath present. Okay. Shushma. Shushmita. Sharon. Sharon. Harish. Harish. Okay. Any doubts? And the internal exam for my subject is scheduled on Saturday morning. So the syllabus, it's already communicated to your mails. Okay. There are three laboratory videos for 20 mark question, and the remaining 5 mark for the theory questions, which will be asked from your lecture materials. Okay, so please go through the details which is available in the link which I shared by last week, as well as the link, the Google link, classroom link has been updated in your Google Classroom. That is, I have mentioned like the syllabus of CAE 2. Okay, so if any doubts will be there, please call me at any time. Okay, thank you. Now email. Thank you. Class.
class. Sir.